friends, today we will make chickpea curry. For that we will require chickpea overnight soaked. I have taken 1 bowl of chickpea overnight soaked. Tomato puree. We can also crush red chilies and onion with that. Ginger paste, and for spices we will require salt, coriander and cumin powder, chole masala, turmeric, garam masala, asafoetida, cinnamon, black pepper, curry leaves, cumin, clove and bay leaves. I have also taken Eno as a baking soda, and a secret ingredient is boiled tea water. Now we will cook chole chana. I will put 3 tablespoons of oil into the pressure cooker. I'll put all this bay leaves, cumin seeds, cloves, curry leaves, black pepper and cinnamon into it. And let this cook. Now I will put tomato puree, and ginger paste. Allow it to cook. Now I put all the spices. Let it mix with the gravy. Now add the chole chana. Add 1 pinch of baking soda or Eno. Add the boiled tea water. This will cause alkaline acid reaction and it will make the good flavor of chole chana. There is enough water, add additional water till the chole chana are deeply soaked. Now they are not sealed. Cover the cooker and cook for 6 whistles. Chole chana is ready. I have sprinkled some coriander leaves onto it.